Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. Hope you're all ready for Christmas. I am coming on today with an AliExpress haul. I have a few items I picked up and I want to share with you today. I'll show you some of the dies I picked up, and then I'll also show you some of the other items that I hauled. So let's get started. Alright, so the first dies that I picked up are right here, and I picked this deer up actually last year, but really didn't make anything with it, so I turned her into a girl and she's absolutely adorable. And then I also found this little Hello Kitty die, so I picked that up and made a project with her. I am a big fan of Hello Kitty, if you didn't know. I love Hello Kitty, so really fun. I picked up a Happy Valentine's Day die, this one right here. And this die right here is a little crown, and it has the word princess, and it comes with these two dies, which actually creates a very tiny treat box. It's absolutely adorable, but it is very small. And then I picked up this really pretty banner, and it came with 3 words. It came with craft, dream, and create, and this is absolutely gorgeous, and I made a project with that, and I will share with you in just a second. I did pick up this die right here, and it creates a really cute little tag. And then what else did I pick up? All right, I picked up some resin pieces, and I'm just going to put them in my hand so you guys can see, but I thought these were absolutely adorable. I believe I was watching Miss Edie Blue. She had shared these, and I was like, oh, these are gorgeous. I must have it. I especially love the purple one, of course. But I wanted to share those. They're super cute, and you can add them to your charms or your chunky charms or your traveler's notebooks. I got them for the purpose of possibly adding them to traveler's notebooks, but really cute. So I'm really happy with these little unicorns. I did pick up some of these really sparkly resin hearts, and they look like that, and I figured Valentine's Day is coming up and it'd be really cute to use on Valentine's Day projects, so pick them up. And obviously they're thin and they're flat, so they'll work well with projects. Alright, so let me show you the little treat box. Here is the little princess treat box. As you can see, it's super tiny, but it's absolutely adorable. You could attach it to a little gift box or gift bag. You could like poke a hole and it could just be dangling. Obviously, you could put a little treat in there if you wanted to, or you can just use the crown and use it flat on a project. And if you notice, the princess has a little heart on top of the eye, and then it has that little mini crown on top of the P, which is super cute. So I wanted to share that with you guys. Absolutely adorable. I did haul, oh, here we go. I hauled this die, and it's a lip, and it looks like this. I just cut it out so you could see what it looks like, but I picked it up for Valentine's Day. I thought that was cute. Here is what the Happy Valentine's Day die looks like. When you die cut it out, the letters are separated, so they're so tiny that I definitely wouldn't use them by themselves, but you can use it this way, where I die cut out a heart, and then I die cut the Happy Valentine's Day through the heart. That way you could just pop some cardstock on the back. I did red glitter so that you could make it pop, and it looks really cute, so I'm really happy with that. And what else do I have to share with you? Here is my reindeer card, which came out absolutely adorable. I love it. I did use another die that I previously hauled. It's the shape of a little hexagon. Several little hexagon pieces came out of the die, and I had it on my desk, and I thought, oh, that'd be super cute for the reindeer nose. So that's what I did. I did pop the reindeer up on dimensionals for dimension. And I did use the snowflake die that my bestie gifted me, Armene, who is Happy Mail Queen. Hey girl. She did gift me this stamp for my birthday, and I absolutely love it, and I was super excited to play with it. So I did punch it out of that really pretty glitter paper. And this die right here, I want to say it's either Pretty Pink Posh or Mama Elephant. I cannot remember which company I purchased it from, because I didn't have the tag in my thing, in my little sleeve. But in case you're wondering. So super cute. And then on the inside, I finished it off like this, and it just says Winter Wishes, and that's the Sizzix die set that you can pick up from Hobby Lobby this year. So a super cute card, absolutely adorable. And then here is the other card that I made. I did haul some paper. I'm going to share that paper with you in just a second, but I used the little Hello Kitty die and that banner, and I'm sorry it's so shiny. It looks like that, and it has the word create. It is popped up on foam for dimension, and I used some glossy dots from Pink and Maine, and I think it came out absolutely gorgeous. It's so cute, and I really love this paper. It's a really nice quality. I'm going to show you in just a second. I finished it off like this, and I stamped I love ink paper, stamps and you, and some hearts from my stash. And if you're wondering, this card base is a paper tray ink card base. I've had it in my stash for a while, but it creates a nice card base. So it's really pretty and makes it easy to create cards. So I'm really loving my Hello Kitty card. All right, up next is this tag, and I just added one of those glossy dots from the KS Craft store. I had hauled these in a previous haul. They look like this. I added some bling to this little tag right here. And what else do I have to share? Okay, let me get to the paper. I did haul this paper. It's 8 by 8, and I'm sorry, it is super, super shiny, but it's super pretty. Quality cardstock, thick. I picked this up during the 9/11 or the 11/11 sale, and I just wanted to show you. It's so, so pretty. I love it. And this store actually carries lots of different papers. This one just happened to be like a mermaid / unicorn themed paper stack. And I think I spent about $10 on it, but I think you get 25 or 30 sheets. And it's so pretty, and it's glittered, and it's great quality cardstock. So that's why I picked it up. And I'm just going to go through these really quick so you guys can see how pretty it is. But there's so many pretty ones. Look at that. I love that one. Especially the ones with the foil and the glitter. They're gorgeous. So, so pretty. And you get some plain ones too, but they're really nice as well. That pretty purple one. And then you got the black and white florals that are also in this set, which are really nice as well. Perfect, I think, for like Mother's Day, especially Valentine's Day. As you can see, I've been playing with this paper. Really, really pretty. Some more black and white. This is the gold polka dot one. You get some unicorn papers. Really, really pretty, and they're shiny. And then you've got the gold and the zigzag. And these unicorn papers right here. Look how pretty. I love the colors. They're gorgeous. And then another black and white floral with the polka dot accents. Really cute. And then this is the last page right here. Really, really pretty. And that is the paper that I used to create that card right here. This card right here. And that shiny paper in the back is also from that stack that I just showed you. So really, really pretty paper. I did pick up this 6x6 paper pad. You do get 28 sheets, and it is double-sided. So all of you ladies that love Alice in Wonderland or Disney themed, this is super, super cute. And I did want to share with you these cute little papers. Really, really fun. And it's actually really nice cardstock, good quality cardstock. So really, really pretty. And then the last couple of things that I hauled were these envelopes. They look like this. They're already die cut out for you, so you could, you know, put a letter, or you could put them on a scrapbook layout and have a picture coming out of it or something. Really cute. So I picked them up in this brown color, and then I had also picked them up in white as well. So super, super pretty. And I think that is it. That is my haul. I hope that you all were inspired today. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Of course, check the description box below for product information if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and Merry Christmas.